Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code with Patrick. So guys, in today's video, we are going to see one interesting topic in Python that is args. So let's get started. We are going to create one function in Python. Take it as suppose name and in it which take different name from the user. Suppose I am going to store that name in different variable. For that I am creating a variable as suppose n1, n2, n3, n4, which take four name from the user, and I'm going to print that name. And I'm going to print n1, n2, n3, suppose n3 and n4. So now when I call this function that is name and I am passing different name, suppose Tom, and suppose it take Jerry, and it takes suppose Spidey, and suppose I'm going to pass another value name as Sam. So when I run this program, you can see that it will print those names. Suppose assume that user enters some extra values here. Suppose we are taking only four name inside this name function, but assume that user enters one extra name. Let's take that name with as best. Okay, and when I run this program will give error because you can see here it is telling that it takes only four positional argument in this name function, but we have given five. So you can see here we are taking only four argument, but user have been passed this five value inside this name function, due to which it has given an error here. But user does not know that it takes only four argument. When we say to pass a name inside the function, user have passed these all value. So how to manage this? So for that we are going to use this args concept in Python. So let's see what is this args. So for that, I'm going to create another function. Let's comment this function first. I am going to create a function here that is make a multiple. Okay, I'm going to give it the name as multiple name. Okay, and I'm going to use here one this asterisk symbol, and inside it I'm going to give a keyword called as args. And when I say print this args, okay, when say print this args, and when I'm going to copy this line, suppose let's cut it and paste it over here. I'm going to call this function name. It is multiple, and inside it assume that I am passing that all values. So let's erase this extra brackets and all. So let's remove this. So you can see here we have entered this multiple values. Okay. Okay, one, two, three, four, five. We have entered this five value inside this multiple name function. Now you can think that we have not defined how much value to take and in what variable this all value to store. So I will explain you it. First, let's run this program. You can see that it have been executed properly without any error. So I will explain you what is actually this code doing here. This args is nothing but a function in Python which helps to take multiple value. Okay, okay, that becomes a special variable when we give this asterisk symbol. When we use this single asterisk symbol before any defining a variable name, that becomes a special kind of variable which take allows to take multiple value inside that single variable using that single variable. So I hope you guys understood how this args works. It is not necessary to give this arg keyword instead of this name arg. I can pass any name. Suppose I'm giving this name and I will change it here also. And I'm going to print name. And now when I run this program, you can see that now also it is running very properly. So this is one way to take a multiple value inside a function. Okay. So there is another way. Suppose I am creating a list. Okay, I'm creating a variable called li, and I'm going to save a data in a list format. Suppose A, suppose inside it is suppose storing B, and okay, let's erase this and suppose C, B, And supposing like that, it is storing multiple value inside this li variable. Okay, now this also I can pass the value that is li. Okay, this li. Okay, so you can see here. So let's get this line here. Okay, so when I paste it over here, you can see that I've created a variable in the name li and in which I'm storing a data in a list format, and I am passing that list inside this multiple name function. So now when I run this program, you can see that these all value have been inserted inside this multiple name function. This also take a list value inside it. I want to show you how we can pass a value if you are storing a value inside a list also. So you can see here it is showing a tuple brackets here. What does it mean? So here we are passing a value in a list format. So when I say print the type of this li variable, and when I run this program, you can see that it will tell that it is storing the value in the list format. So suppose inside this function I'm telling to print the type of this name variable. So what does it will do? It will tell that it is a tuple. So you can see here, okay, it is showing here as tuple here because how value you are storing inside this multiple name using this arg or args method. It will take that value in a tuple format. Whether though we are passing the value using this list inside this multiple name function, but it is typecasting that the list method into a tuple and it is storing that data inside this multiple name. So guys, I hope you understand how to use this args method in Python. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment below. Don't forget to share this video to our friends. Thank you for watching guys.